Hi guys, it's Kristin with apokreations, and it is Froggy Friday. And I think this is more of a toad, but we're just gonna go with, he looks like a bullfrog. And then all of a sudden my mind just went, Jeremiah was a bullfrog. Okay, I digress. So I'm going to be doing this frog for Froggy Friday, and I'm going to be using Aquacast Turbo. Smart idea? I guess we'll find out. So I have no idea how much this mold takes, but I am going to go onto the Elechem website and find out. I'm just going to give it a rough guess to say 150. So I'll do 175, and if I have any extra, I'll stick it in my EcoPore dump, my Eco Resin dump jar. So go to elechem.co.uk and go down to Eco Resin Material Calculator. Put in your mold volume, 175, product, Aquacast Turbo. And so it says I need 225 grams of powder and, well, it says 90 grams of activator, but I'm assuming that means the water, because it does say Aquacast Turbo and Hydroflow. So, alrighty, so let me get my handy dandy. This thing is filthy. I spilled something on it the other day and I had to wipe it down, and yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put my bowl on there and get 225 grams of powder. Now, while I'm doing this, Froggy Friday is a weekly collaboration hosted by Lisa at Girl in the Garage, Karen at the Dragon's Cave, Lula at Nerd Goblin Art, Tim with the Bass Resonator, and Gert from Gert Creates. And the playlist will be in the description below, so you can binge watch all of the amazing Froggy creations. And it's not just resin or eco resin. You know, people have drawn stuff. I think the other day, somebody did a watercolor painting of a frog. So yeah, can be anything. Okay. Alrighty, so now I need me. All right, hang on. I am going to put you on pause for a second so I can get some more water, because I don't, well, no, it says it's 150 mils in here, so I guess we'll see. And I'm just gonna keep it plain. Oop. Alrighty. Get this out of the way. And I'm just gonna, like I said, leave it plain. I'm not gonna put any pigments in there. And with the turbo, you really have a shortened work time. So you have to be, you know, I say fairly quick. Because it cures a lot quicker. Just trying to make sure I got all those, I say crunchy bits, but it's not really, it's lumpy bits. All right, so I think that'll do it. I'm making a mess. All right, so I am gonna actually pour a little in here. And I'm leaving it white because I'm actually going to paint it after the fact. I just don't want to get to get the bubbles out. Okay. Not bad. All right, let me pour the rest of that in here. Waste not, want not, right? All right, hang on. I'm waste not, want notin', and making a mess. Still making a mess. All right. So we'll let that dry and clean it up. And I will be back with you for the demold, and then we'll paint him. Okay, so it's still warm, but it's cured. So hopefully this just, oh, look at that, dreamy. Oh, I got a couple of little bubbles there and some wrinkly something there. But again, not really too worried about it. All right, I'm gonna let this cool off. And then I'll be coming in and painting, painting the frog, Green Gardens, and then his little thing, moss green. And his eyes, no idea.
Spotty frog on a lily pad, hopping free. Green and yellow jumped right into the sea. Crooking loud in the moonlight sky. Froggy Friday night feels so high. Splashing water and catching flies. Little spotty frog with big round eyes. Stretches arms wide, jumps for a ride. Sings his song with froggy pride. Froggy Friday, every leap a cheer. Hop along with no sign of fear. Spotty frog dances through the night. In the moon's glow, feels so right. Hop in rhythm in the rippling stream. Spotty frog living his wildest dream. Leaf boats float on a gentle breeze. Every dance step with such ease. Lily pads swaying to the beat. Froggy Friday makes it so sweet. Spotty frog lights up the show with a croak that steals the glow. Leap and laugh with all your might. Spotty frog in the pale moonlight. Froggy Friday don't come and go. It lingers on with a soft glow. Froggy Friday, every leap a cheer. Hop along with no sign of fear. Spotty frog dances through the night. In the moon's glow, feels so right. Froggy Friday, every leap a cheer. Hop along with no sign of fear.
And then take a finer brush and paint around, because I obviously, you know, painted over here and here. So this will cover that up. And then when that's done, I am going to put on some Create and Bloom Bloom Finish Varnish. And I'm not going to seal the bottom, but I'm going to seal the paint, and I still have to do his eyes too, so I'll be right back. Okay, so this has dried. Am I worried about that little spot? No, I'm not. And now I am putting the varnish on it. And this, as I said before in the beginning of the video, this is the Create and Bloom varnish. And it is amazing, as is all of Lou's stuff. If you haven't gone onto her website, make sure that you do, because she has got some of the most amazing pigment colors. And it's so cute because they're named for personal things, you know, like things that have gone on in her life or experiences she's has. Oh my God, I cannot talk today. It's early, y'all. But yeah, just go and check out her website. It won't disappoint, I guarantee you. So, oh, and here I am at a shot. And it doesn't really take that much. Look, I used that stuff and it was just what was in the lid. Okay, so I am going to get some glamour shots. And if you could do me a favor and subscribe if you're not already. The QR code will be here, I think. I also have a buy me a coffee QR right here. If you would be so inclined, if you feel so inclined to do so, everything that I get will go right back into buying supplies for my crafting so I can show more stuff. Give me a like. Please leave me a comment. Tell me what you thought. And I will see you guys for the next one. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.